Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Today we are going to review cryptocurrencies, the top 10 cryptocurrencies according to coin market cap. And as you can see here, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Litecoin, where we've initially plotted, which is right here. Okay, so that is the next resistance in the event it breaks the 0.22 level. Next would be Tether, which is USDT, USD. All right, what do we have? Over here, we still just did a flat line, no significant movements as of the moment. Still there. However, if you are a position trader, some position as our possible Darvas box. If you want, you can enter near the lower line over here, which acts as our support, and use this as your profit taking area. And then just do that every single time. Enter here, you sell here. The next would be Bitcoin, BCH. All right, what do we have? Okay, another good story here. So I bet this is also the same drawings that I did in my previous episode. I didn't erase it. So I think our analysis here is also serving us right. This used to be a resistance, and now we managed to break out of that resistance level. Therefore, this now becomes your support. And because we're starting to trigger, so be extra careful though, that we have to first challenge this brand new level of resistance. It has to break that so we can see some more bullish movements. And in fact, we might even have, in the event we break this resistance, we can have something like this. Okay, I remove this so far. Okay, oops, this we can erase, this one too. There you have it. So in the event it breaks this resistance level, then we will have a brand new wave over here. It will go up, but don't be surprised, it'll revisit this level, which now becomes your support area before it takes off fully. So far you still have some promising reward here. Bitcoin SV, BSV. All right. Okay, look at that. Sideways. Wow. So the Bollinger Band is so constricted, but we have been moving above the MA20 line. My Bollinger Band has a default setting of this red at the center is an MA20. Yeah. So far, what we can see here is that moving to the upside, but with just very, very small pace or slow pace. So that is the nearest resistance that we see at the moment. Okay, note that this is an area, so you might see some slight overshoot either to the upside or below that. This used to be a resistance, and also over here you have some form of rejection each time that area is being hit. So another key observation, or we have to closely monitor a possible breakout the 216 level. All right, otherwise we have to also check out our MA20 level. That will be our nearest support. Litecoin, LTC USD. LTC USD. Okay. So this used to be your resistance. Same old. I did not erase the drawings that I made the previous day. We managed to break out of that. So yesterday we have here part of the candlestick, half of the body, which is over here. already crossed level. I feel that the next possible movement here is slight increase in the price, but you have a resistance very near the previous resistance as well. So go ahead and plot your next resistance at this area. So your call. Would you like to do range trading, enter here and exit here? It's up to you. So far the sentiment here is buying, but try to look at the faster time frame and see which if we are consistent in all time frame where you have more people wanting to buy. All right, Litecoin, that is. Binance coin, BNB 20 line, but I think this is already somehow of a FOMO level, and let us see if it will also break that. But if we continue to experience some declines or some struggle breaking it, then chances are it will rest for a while. Okay, so I will not move. Okay, I will not move the line we plotted previously because I feel that that is still your resistance area at the moment. And ninth would be EOS. EOS. All right, guys, so be mindful as well that whatever we are doing here right now is just purely based on technical analysis, where we use support and resistance, the Bollinger Band, RSI, and of course the volume. So do your research. Find out the most recent update or most recent news about your chosen coin or chosen cryptocurrency, and then observe the market, because those news can potentially influence the next moves. And this type of trading is a little bit riskier than stocks because cryptocurrency is open 24 hours. All right. In the Philippines, normally it refreshes around 8 or 8:30 in the morning. So the new candlestick now comes out at around that time. Okay, so this is your resistance. We're still sitting at that level. And look at this. Somehow, slightly, we are above that line. So let us see if we will continue moving to the upside. And once we do, we then treat this as our brand new support. Last would be Tezos, XTZ. XTZ USD is okay. We also managed to bounce here, but take note, your next resistance is very near. So another thing to also closely monitor. If you want to get in, either enter at the MA20 level, because that is the nearest support, and then exit here if you see some red candlestick being formed, and just do range trading. But that will give you very minimal gain. I think around, if you enter from here and you take profit here, that's just around 11%. Now if you want to wait, then wait for a possible breakout. We need to end outside of that line, and so we can say we have fully broken our resistance. All right, so that was the top 10, guys. So I think if you have other cryptocurrencies that you would like me to review, go ahead and drop a comment and I can do that for you. I can prioritize that in our next crypto watch. In the meantime, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you are always notified. In the meantime, thank you and goodbye for now.